Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I have inside my current EDC. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. So I've taken most of your suggestions, mixed them with mine, and I've built what I think is the ultimate EDC kit. And just to be clear, this is an urban EDC, not a survive in the wild, Last of Us type deal type moment kind of kit. But if you're looking for that, there's plenty of videos on that on YouTube. In addition to this pouch, I always carry my phone, keys, and my keys have a flashlight attached to it, a wallet, tissues, pepper spray, hand sanitizer. Sometimes I bring a snack and my water bottle, and I bring a portable charger. And my car is fully stocked with backup essentials as well. So I only reach for this pouch just in case I need something. An EDC kit is like insurance. You don't always need it, but you'll be glad you have it. Especially if you get a headache out of nowhere, spill something on yourself, or if you just need a fresh pair of panties, then this will cover those moments. Also, this video is for educational purposes only, so definitely do your own research, okay? All right, to build your own EDC, you just need some kind of pouch or small bag. I'll show you a few options, but just use what you have. You could even use a Ziploc bag. So here are a few options. You could use an Altoids tin. This one is a Bob Ross tin. You can use something like this. This is from Amazon. It also has a mirror. Also from Amazon, this one is really cute. I have a video going over how I use this as an EDC. And of course, these are my favorite. These are mesh pouches from Amazon. And this is also from Amazon. So there's that. Or you can just use a Ziploc bag like I mentioned earlier. Okay, now that you have what pouch you want to use, let's talk categories. I like to organize my EDC into a few categories: multi-tools, meds, a basic first aid kit, hygiene, feminine and beauty products, and miscellaneous items. The best thing about EDC kits is you can customize them to your life and they'll change as your needs change. For example, my daughter used to bring an EDC kit to school, and now that she's all grown, her EDC kit looks a little different. So there's no right or wrong when building your EDC kit. So this is my current EDC, and I would say this is maybe a medium-sized EDC kit, perfect for your bigger bags. And just keep in mind, you definitely don't need all of these, so just start small and build over time. So on the outside, I have a brush, this tiny brush. My spouse got this for me for my birthday. And this is what it looks like inside. So starting off in this section, I have a bobby pin, and this is great if you want to put your hair back or if you need to pick a lock. I always get questions on whether I know how to pick a lock with this and if I will do a tutorial. The answer is yes, I know how to pick a lock with a bobby pin, and no, I will not show you how to do that, but you can look up videos on YouTube and there's tutorials on how to do that. Okay, and next I have a paper clip, safety pin. You never know when you're going to need that. And next I have a little shaver. This mini shaver works well, and it's good to have if you need to shave your stash. And let's see, a can opener. This is really good to have just in case. On this side, I have my multi-tool. It has a toothpick, scissors, and this works really well. They're sharp. There's a blade, a screwdriver, nail file, and tweezers. This is really handy, and I love bringing a multi-tool with me. And then I have my nail cutter, and this is the Mr. Green nail cutter. I like how slim it is, and it's really sharp. It also has a nail file on this side. So that is it for these two front pockets here. And let's get into what I have in this pocket. I have some drink packets. This is matcha. You just add it to hot water. And then I have my Ultima packet. This is the watermelon electrolytes drink. And let's see what else. I have some cash. I have a $20 bill and some coins in the back. I have a sewing kit, and that has come in handy quite a lot. Some matches, These aren't waterproof matches. I do have some with me, but I have that in my car. So these are just regular matches. And then I have some wipes in here. I have a deodorant wipe. This is great to have on the go. Simply Mints, there's 2 in here in this little packet. And then I have sticky notes, just in case I need that. And I have a pen. And this is a tactical pen. You can break glass with this. And then there's an emergency medical information card. This one is blank, but I have mine filled out. This is great to put in your parents' EDC kit as well. A travel hand sanitizing wipe. This is alcohol. I have some soap sheets in here. This comes in a pack. This is what the pack looks like. Matches my nails. But I just put a few sheets in there. And then let's see, I have a first aid kit with some meds inside. I have Claritin, Benadryl. I have, let me take these out, a sting relief pad, antiseptic towelette. I also have these Purell hand sanitizers. These are the singles. Let's see what else. I have some ointments, different size Band-Aids. I have a Salonpas, and this is great to put on if you have a headache or any muscle pain. Not medical advice. Oh, hi, Charlie. And let's see what else. I have some Dramamine and a moleskin and some gauze. So it's good to have a basic first aid kit with you. Oh my goodness. This is Charlie. He is my Velcro baby. Okay, and then I have down in here a towelette disc. You just add this to water and it expands. It has come in handy quite a few times for me. Also down in there, let's see, I have a Shout wipe. This is a great stain remover. I have a little panty liner. Let's see what else I have in here. I have another towelette disc. I have a slim charger, a baby wipe, and this is just sterilized water. I have this. Can you guys guess what it is? These are chopsticks. I eat like 90% of my food with chopsticks, so these are good to have. And let's see, what else do we have in here, Charlie? I have an extra pair of panties. This was from my emergency panties kit, and it came with this panty liner and a fresh wipe. So this was in one little kit. And I have some medical gloves. And that is it. That is everything on this side. So you can see it's really spacious. You can fit a ton of things in there. And then on this side, it has this really cute little charm on the zipper pull. And that's what it looks like. So I have floss and a Colgate Wisp. And then I have a little snack. This is a Chalk Zero snack. I have a Ricola and a cough drop. And let's see, what's next? Mustard. Mustard is really good for muscle cramps, I was told. And a mirror. I have this cute tiny mirror from Charlotte Tilbury. And it has a little puff pad. But there's a mirror on this side. So cute. And then I have extra contacts just in case. I have a tea packet. This is really good. This is the Organic Stress Ease from Traditional Medicinals, and this is the Ginseng Wild Apple Mint. It is really good. You don't even need any honey. And then some Truvia. And I have a hair tie, of course. I have a lot of hair. and some tissues. I always bring tissues with me, but just in case, I decided to put some in here. A lens wipe so I can wipe my glasses like right now. Let's wipe that. Alrighty. And chapstick. This is so cute. This is the Burt's Bees chapstick. And I think, oh, there's 2 more items in here. A tampon, just in case you have a heavy flow, and some eye drops. These are the Sustain eye drops. So that is everything in my current EDC. So all of that fit in here. I know some of you requested to see a flat lay of all of the items. So here you go. Now, out of all of these items, my most used are the Band-Aids, cough drops, lip balm, and scissors. This multi-tool, I also have the Swiss card, but it basically has everything else minus the push pin. But this has come in handy. So if you don't have a multi-tool, definitely invest in one. But there you go. I encourage you guys to build your own EDC kit. There's no right or wrong way. Let me know in the comments down below what your most used EDC item is. I am always updating mine, so give me some suggestions. This EDC kit is not airplane friendly, but if you guys are interested in a video, I will definitely do one for you using this pouch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!